What's MusicBayside Oboe? If you're watching this video, it's probably the first time you've heard of MusicBayside. Welcome, and here is a short introduction so you get to know better what you can find. MusicBayside Oboe is an online music educational platform created in 2017 whose mission is to spread the oboe and the teaching-learning process of this wind instrument. Through tutorials, online lessons, courses, podcasts, and the blog, available on the website and on the YouTube channel with new weekly publications, both Spanish and English. The MusicBayside vision is to provide innovative solutions to bring the oboe closer to the communities of the 21st century, and our values are integrity, commitment, customer service, results, and teamwork. In addition, on the website of musicbayside.com, you can purchase personalized online lessons with me, access the blog, and very soon enroll in courses of different themes to improve with your instrument, buy the material and accessories you may need in the online store of MusicBayside, and keep up to date with all the news by subscribing to the free newsletter. I'd like you to know me a little bit better, so I will tell you a little about myself. My passion for teaching and knowledge led me to the creation of this exciting project in 2017, and I believe that music education is a fantastic tool that generates social changes and personal growth. I began to study music about 30 years ago, and my career as a performer has given me the opportunity to offer concerts with symphony orchestras, chamber groups, and as a soloist in Europe, Asia, America, and Africa for more than 15 years. I've been lucky to study, among other institutions, at the prestigious Reina Sofía International School of Music in Madrid, Spain, and at the Austria Orchestral Academy in collaboration with the Berlin and Vienna Philharmonic orchestras in Germany and Austria. I'm currently developing my PhD, and I'm interested in online education, new technologies, personal branding and social networks, video and image editing, and music marketing. Join the MusicBayside Oboe community and participate in the social networks of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thousands of people around the world have already discovered it, and we are waiting for you. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon.